1 month after the deadly attack on this university, Kenya's security services, already on the back foot, now face serious allegations, taking the law into their own hands, bypassing the courts in the search for al-Shabaab. This man's 26-year-old brother was allegedly abducted by plainclothes police. Hamza, a shopkeeper, Arsenal football fan and breadwinner for these children, was bundled out of his shop. CCTV footage I've seen captures the moment he was taken away. That was 3 weeks ago. There's been no news of him since.
He was taken by 4 men at 2 o'clock on a Thursday. We don't know why, but it was captured on CCTV footage. We went to the police and the military to find out what was happening. We searched everywhere, but we couldn't find Hamza.
Do you think your brother is still alive?
I am waiting for the government to answer exactly that question.
Now, west of Garissa, from where Hamza disappeared, unconfirmed reports of mass graves. The authorities have declined to speak to us. The fact that someone can just vanish like Hamza did from his shop here may seem astonishing, but this is just one of a number of cases reported in recent weeks. Critics have long argued that the security services act like judge, jury and executioner, and that does little to win over trust in the fight against al-Shabaab. The man police claim masterminded the university attack is still believed to be at large. Mohammed Mahmoud Kunu, known locally as a radical cleric, once lived openly here in this house in Garissa before he slipped across the border into Somalia. Despite condemning the attacks, Islamic schools similar to this are now the focus of police investigations. In the past few days, a religious teacher from Garissa has reportedly been abducted. Now worries he could be dead. Families that could provide intelligence now fear extrajudicial killings in the hunt for al-Shabaab.
They're really between a rock and a hard place. You have state security on one side, armed groups like al-Shabaab on the other. I mean, you can't blame them for just wanting to lie low and put their heads under the sand.
Many here believe they're being collectively punished for what appears to be a homegrown threat. But they say it should be up to the courts, not the men with guns, to deliver justice. Karen Allen, BBC News, Garissa.